walls are getting some fresh paint, while Keyshawn helps Anthony frame the fireplace.
This stone paneling gives it that medieval feel that you're looking for.
Then the in and outside walls are getting stoned and beamed.
This looks like wood that's been handmade, but it's actually lightweight foam. It's cost effective and will provide the medieval aesthetic that we're looking for.
Wow! There it is! Let's go, baby. What's up? Welcome to Medieval Ties.
Oh, wow.
Damn! Man, it's dope, man.
It's epic.
Oh, my goodness, everything. Oh, my God, look at the floor. Wow.
Dude, man, I love this place.
I really like the woodwork. The woodwork's bitchin'. I gotta look at this armor. It looks super dope.
I knight thee, sir.
Slices here.
The bar back looks really good with the wine barrel.
This deep red, rich color is stained from actual wine.
Nice.
All right, guys, we do have to vote now. So remember, we got 4 categories on the voting card: look, comfort, signature drink, and wow factor. You know, have a good time, be honest.
If Luke and Anton show up, we are ready to go to war.
Time to announce the winner. You know, you're gonna get bragging rights and all that, blah, blah, blah. And this trophy